I'm in the Valtra, leaving home and heading to the main farm where Cosmin will meet me with the big tractor. And we will go and pick up the excavator from the carrot farm. We have big problems because of the rain that we have. We are not able to harvest with the machine at all. So we are going to pick up the excavator and go to the last carrot fields, the main farm, and trying to drain out some of the water that's laying on the surface. It's yeah, it's normal. We have done this most of my time. So at some points during fall or harvest time, we have to do this because it takes a while to harvest 160 decars or 16 hectares. So now it's late October, and it's completely normal for us to have rain until Christmas at least. So it's that time of the year. We'll try to drain out most of it, and we will see if we can manage to harvest next week. We need to have a little bit of time to get rid of the water, but we will see what happens. Morning. So my excavator is sitting over there, and I had to go back here to pick up this bucket. And then, if you see this small white tower behind the trees, it's my trailer. So I need to shuffle around a little bit. I'm sorry if it's raining on the camera, but this is how it is now. So we tried the day after my last video, we tried on the fields at the main farm. Spent some time putting the doubles on the big tractor because we needed that to pull the machine and the tractor that I'm sitting in. But it was impossible, it was too much water, and when I went back I was spinning on top of the other row, the next row, and I think I picked up maybe 30% of the carrots that was sitting in on the row. So we gave up and yeah, went to do some other things. I had a day off and the boys were picking up sweets, so I think they will collect that tomorrow. Fucking here you can see some deer been inside. All sorts of problems now. Alright, so I pick up my excavator and I will grease it up, pick up the bucket, put it on the trailer and go to the main farm. There are areas like this. That's the problem. And this is the dump here, isn't it? Not that much, but it was the same when we harvested. I think it was here and out. All the way. Here it's okay, I think. I don't see any water because here is up again. This area is down.
We have to start from there.
Yeah, maybe. Because in this area down there, it's always wet.
Yeah, but it's not looking that. Yeah,
on the end, but it's always been wet there.
Yeah.
And the deer has also eaten up to maybe 70% of. But here you can drive today.
You manage because the foot is not going.
No, it's no problem to go here. Could be a little bit on the end, but I didn't see anything. You see the dump?
No. bed there.
Yeah.
Not on that one, from where
But we will.
it's one row like this.
It's not.
Not bad.
Yeah. If we pull, I'm pretty sure we will get through this. Maybe the worst problem is the weeds. Yeah. Here you can see deers have eaten most everything, almost everything.
On this corner.
Yeah. This corner has always been wet.
You can stop.
I will discuss with my father and see what we do. It's drowning. It's dead already. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's not worth harvesting this because it will rot in the boxes and spread on the magazine.
Even if you have food, even make food,
Yeah, you can do something. I will discuss. But all right, so that's most of this. It's a pretty big area, but I will make a go. All right, now we'll check the other field. Okay, so it's here. Oh. And this is dead. Pretty sure it's dead. And it's all the way. Here it's okay. I'm pretty sure it's something down there, so we'll go and check there too. Because it's usually wet there. So as you can see, we are dealing with plenty of water. This field was okay. We have a plan for this one. Pretty sure we will lose 3 decars. And this corner is completely broken, so deer has been there and it's always been wet there, and the end of the rows down there it's nothing to take. It's wet, too wet. We will make something in the middle, and maybe we'll have to drive over a few rows to get started, and try with the small boxes in the beginning, and we'll see. Hopefully this will be okay, but the other field is bad. This is the road, and all the way on the end here is wet, so we will have to make a small drain line across to the end, and 2/3 from here it's wet across all the field, so I'm pretty sure I will have to go in the middle of the field, sacrifice some carrots, and maybe also on the end. So that's how it is. We will try to secure as much carrots as we can, but I'm pretty sure we will lose 5 acres, 0.5 hectares. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah. All right. I will just wait and see, and maybe we'll have to do some finishing touches, but we will. Now I need to cross here. I will fix it. Alright, so we let this sit for a while now to drain out most of the water. It's fantastic how much water it can stay on the field, but it is how it is. It's because it's a dump and the water goes to the lowest point, and I try to dig after the lowest point all the way, and aim for the lowest point on the end. So seems like it's working, and maybe we'll have to do some finishing touches after a while, but for now it will sit, and we'll go and jump over to the next field and do the same there. Okay, so that's the end of this field. You can see the water in the main trench is almost as high as the level of the field, so that means we have an outlet issue somewhere taken care of someday. At least we have drained the end of this field. Yasmin is doing some digging with a spade. We are getting rid of some water here. It's okay. Perfect. So we'll go and grab some lunch, and then we'll do the end or the middle of the second field, and I think we are pretty much done here. Okay, so I'm back from lunch. So get started on the most heartbreaking part. You can see here it's water, and we are 30 meters from the end, and it's running across all the way into the other end. So 1/3 of the field is separated from the other. So we have to go through this and see if we can get rid of it. So I have to dig in through almost the middle of the field, and here it's dry, but 10 meters in front of me it's wet again, all the way to the end of the main trench, and behind me is wet. If you split this section in two, it's wet from the middle all the way from this main trench and over to the other side. So my father will come now and we will discuss what to do. So we'll have to wait 20 minutes for him. Okay, so after a quick discussion with my father, we decided to do something about this area down there, and not the small area that was up behind me. Now we start. Okay. Just film a little bit.
I will start from the water. I will come up and left and right.
Okay, so that's it. it's done. It's really devastating to destroy that much carrot, but we didn't have any other choice. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's better to destroy something than leave all this behind. So this is the first time I have actually been in the middle of a field digging. Normally it's only on the ends, but this time it was everywhere. So we made 3, what should we call it, lines, water lines, 3 escape routes for the water, down on the end and 1 up there. So yeah, this is, sometimes we gotta do it, and it's not fun, but luckily this year we have plenty of carrots, so if we sacrifice something, it's better than another year. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this will be the last video with carrots. I'm not sure if I will film anymore, because I'm pretty sure I need to be concentrated when we will try to harvest these 2 fields. So maybe my father also will try to harvest a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all my other videos, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and be sure you check out my Instagram.